Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can increase the size of an image on Photopea without sacrificing any quality. So let's get right into it. Now, sadly, it is not possible to completely not sacrifice any quality. There is some quality that will be lesser when you upsize or upscale an image, and this is just impossible to avoid. However, there are a few things which you need to do once you're resizing an image, and to do this in Photopea, you're just going to image and image size, and there you can increase the size of the image by setting how much the pixels will be in the height and width. And once you do this, you can select a nearest neighbor, bilinear or bicubic sharper in the bottom of the window to pretty much just set something to avoid the loss. Now, this is possible, and this does not provide the best results, sadly, since it is impossible to not lose any quality. However, you can use something such as this big JPEG, which is an AI tool to increase the size without loss. And this is what it looks like. It's an AI image enlarger, and it should use AI to make the differences or the quality as best as it can. And you just select the images which you want to upload, and then once you put it here, you just enable the tool, use it, and once it's done, you can download the image, and that should be pretty much it. This is the best way that I have found this in Photopea. As I've said, you have those options, however they are not the best, so I would recommend you try out something like this. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.